Hey guys, I'm here with Michael. We're at the MakerBot booth and SOLIDWORKS World 2019 in the Partner Pavilion. Lots of good stuff. Michael, tell us what you're showing everybody. I see this new machine over here.
Hi, so what we have here is the MakerBot method.
Okay.
It's our new printer that we released in December.
Okay,
so
just December, yep.
It's a dual extrusion machine. So right now we're printing our tough material with our PVA. Our PVA is our water-soluble material. And what we really like about this machine, kind of the new advantages of the mechanical system, new electrical architecture, and new controls that allow us to have really good dimensional accuracy. Plus or minus 0.2 millimeters is the dimensional accuracy of the parts.
Yeah.
And so with that, we were able to achieve that with our new mechanical frame. So it's a cast aluminum base, aluminum extrusions, sheet metal top, and then we have that allows for the rigidity of the machine and the stiffness.
Okay, those kind of materials and rigidity of the machine, that sounds like more accuracy, tougher, more robust machine, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the second big aspect is we have a heated chamber. And so before in our other systems, we really didn't have a heated chamber. And right now what we're doing is we're really controlling the air in the print plane.
Yeah.
So right around the nozzles, we're printing them at 40 C right now.
Okay.
And what that allows is the part not to cool too fast. And that gives us our dimensional accuracy.
As opposed to warpage or that kind of thing, right?
Right, because the plastics will cool and shrink.
Yep.
And this helps to mitigate that.
Cool. Cool. Now this big block, this was all printed on this machine. So this is this kind of a feel for the build volume that you can do with the method?
It is. So the build volume for dual extrusion is 6 inches in the X, 7.5 inches in the Y, and 7 3/4 inch in the Z.
Okay.
So this is just about that. And
Yep.
what this really shows is what you can do with the PVA material. So you can stack a lot of parts. And in this case, we have 790 links that are zigzagged through this print and printed all as one block and then dissolved overnight.
That's pretty good stuff.
It is. It is. And so that gives you a lot of design freedom now that you have a dissolvable material and don't have breakaway support that's stuck in weird places you can't get to.
Oh, gotcha. Hey, well, thanks for showing it to us, man. That's awesome. Thanks.